Do you have a problem with a locked radio in your Ford? I'm Marcin from ATOCAN and I will show you a very simple solution to remove the dreaded locked inscription. How to do it? The easy way. Via OBDI or bench you can reset the lock, read the PIN code, change it or completely remove it. All you need is 5 minutes and an ECU test adapter with FordCode. These devices are available in our stores, links in the description. Now we will look at the connection diagram to the radio and connect according to it. We run the FordCode software, which can be downloaded in the product description. We choose which radio model we want to repair, in our case it is Ford Visteon. To be safe, let's read the EEPROM now. After reading, enter the memory dump tab and save. We can move on to the most important available options. Code Read button, here we will receive the code. Code Change button, here we will change the code. Code Off button, here we will turn off the code. When turning off the code, the program will ask us if we are sure. Ready. From now on, the radio is unlocked. Let's listen to it.
It's my life, don't worry.
Radio.
Thank you for watching. Best regards, Marcin ATOCAN.